The stars are brightly shining. It is tonight of our dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world and sin and error pining, till He appeared and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope and weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees, oh, hear the angel voices, oh, night divine, oh, night when Christ was born. Long lay the world in sin and error pining, till He appeared and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope and weary world rejoices, for